To view your tax forms in TurboTax online, you will need to have an account. If you don't have one, creating an account is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. You can sign up on the TurboTax website, where you will be asked to provide your tax information and other details. Be sure to provide the correct information. Once you have an account, you can view your forms by signing in to your account on the TurboTax website, where you can use your telephone number, email address, or user ID to log in. From there, you will see a list of different tax forms on your profile page, and you can choose the type of tax return you want to make. After selecting your preferred tax return, you can open the Forms icon and scroll to view all related forms. TurboTax will display all forms associated with your tax return choice, and you can click on the specific form you want to view or print it. Overall, viewing your forms in TurboTax online is a simple process.